the channel. So it's time to get cooking again. Today we're making Crockpot BBQ beans, which is a perfect side dish for any type of barbecue that you may have. So let's get started and get our ingredients together. For our barbecue beans, we're going to need the following: 2 28-ounce cans of beans, onion, bell pepper, brown sugar, Cajun seasoning, hot sauce, liquid smoke, barbecue sauce, mustard, and bacon. So let's get our ingredients prepared. Alright, so we've got our beans already added to our crock pot. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add in our bacon, our brown sugar, our onions and bell pepper, and I happen to have half of a purple onion available. So you can use whatever onion you like, white or yellow. And our Cajun seasoning, then our hot sauce, our mustard, and our liquid smoke. And then we are going to add in any of your, what you consider your favorite barbecue sauce. So I just happen to have half a bottle of my honey barbecue left over from the last time. And we're going to get that all mixed up in here. And we're going to give this a good mix. See if I can get some more of this barbecue sauce out of the bottle. There we go. Yeah, this is one of those dishes that I use to get rid of partial ingredients I have laying around, like my bacon and stuff like that. So I call this one of my cleanup dishes. Alright, so we've got that all mixed up. Now we're going to put this in our crock pot, and on low you're going to cook this for about 6 to 7 hours, and on high it'll be about 3 to 4 hours. So we're going to get this cooking and we'll be back whenever they're ready. Alright, so we have everything set up with our crock pot, and so I am going to be cooking this on high today. So this will be going for about 3 to 4 hours, and we're going to be stirring this occasionally. Alright, so this has been going about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. So we're going to give this a quick stir. And we're going to give this a taste just to see if there's anything that's needed. Good. So we're going to let this go for another couple of hours, and we'll be right back. Alright, we are roughly at the 4-hour mark. Let's give our beans a check. Alright, everything looks good and ready to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set the beans on warm, and so that way whenever we get our barbecue chicken ready or any of our other grilled meats, we can have some barbecue beans. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be nice and be kind, because it could change somebody's day.